speaking with three of our global leaders today around operations, operational efficiency, and opportunities in the operation space for insurance companies. So we're going to cover a few quick questions here. I'll start with you, Mark. So, core insurance systems are being modernized and really replaced. Where do you see the biggest opportunities for insurers to invest to achieve those operational efficiency goals?
Sure. When you look at the domain map of most insurers, the big spend areas are really in claims and underwriting. That's where I would go first. That's where I'd look to invest. I'd look at the end-to-end processes in there. Really figure out where you could use the modern technologies and data, workflow, machine learning, etc. that can really help an insurer get more efficient.
For sure. How about you, Gary? What do you think?
Yeah, Mark's correct. There's a lot of activity going on in underwriting and claims. One of the struggles many of the carriers have is thinking that they select a new admin system or claim system and they're done. Where the fact of the matter is what they're doing on the front end of it from a portal standpoint and ease of use for both the employee and the customer, as well as a back-end data and reporting standpoint, is even more important than the new platforms.
Yes. Now, Simona, when you think about the biggest challenges insurers face in trying to operationalize this, to implement operational efficiencies, what do you see?
The big challenge to think about is like the burden of legacy systems that hold back very often incumbent insurers from seeking operational efficiency. And of course, because they fear the effort and the time they'll need to modernize their core systems, which are stable but aging. Then another challenge to think about is getting the organization and workforce committed to the operational efficiency programs, especially when artificial intelligence and new technologies are involved, which may be feared by people. And last, I think that talent shortage is becoming an issue. As new technologies are accelerating, it's very hard to keep pace.
Mark, anything to add?
No, I agree with that. Legacy. This is all about systems, as Simona's saying. It's about the people and taking them on that change journey. And it's about the processes. The processes end to end are broken. We need to fix all of those three things to get an efficient process.
Right. And an end to end as well as legacy, right? And the stitching together. Now, Simona, you raised the topic of talent. Can you talk about what role talent plays in all of this, and how should the insurance industry start to face into some of these challenges around workforce?
Technology innovation is changing business models, and it's changing the nature of work. Therefore, this requires new skills, and even if these new skills are developing fastly, it's not so easy to hire them. So insurance will need to attract, retain, and lead new talents. And the big next challenge for them will be to balance talent shortage by enrolling different kind of workers, also non-traditionals like freelancers, and by balancing and blending different skills like insurance business knowledge and robust new technologies, competences, plus soft skills.
For sure. Gary, did you want to add on to that?
Yeah, at the beginning of the latest innovation phase, we talked a lot about rise of the machines and the whole idea that these robots and AI components were going to eliminate human need. What we actually quickly found out was it made humans more efficient, and the robots and the other components need to be included in the journey maps. So now as we look at the re-rise of the humans, if you will, we need to make sure that people understand their value proposition, that they're helping to determine where to automate, but also where not to use the human touch. And so, as Simona mentioned, retaining our best people, bringing new ideas into insurance is critical as well.
Right, and Mark, I think there's also the component of bringing talent from outside the insurance industry.
Absolutely, we're seeing that in our clients, certainly in the UK, where essentially bringing new skills, particularly on the customer side, where from retail, for example, where really organisations looking at bringing the best talent to serve their customers.
Right, for sure. And that's the state of play.